Want you to stay.
What's good? What's popping, YouTube family? It's Lena and I'm here with a first impression wig review slash really quick tutorial on this wig that I have on that's poppin', so make sure you stay tuned for the video. So today we're going to be looking at and reviewing and hopefully installing the Sensationnel instant fashion wig in Couture. It's the style ITSLENAAA. That top piece that's plastic, I got in the style SOMBR1. Usually I'm a 2, so I decided to do this, which is like a red and a black color. Pretty curls, and it also comes with a lace piece right here. So we're gonna take the wig cap off that it came with. This is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, y'all. And I'm pretty sure I know what y'all are mostly thinking. She has a head full of hair. Why does she wear wigs, or why does she want to wear a wig? The answer to your question is basically because I want to. Who likes to do their hair every day? Like, not me. And for the sake of time, y'all, and how much hair I have, I'm just gonna part my hair down the middle somewhat, since this is a middle part wig. Parted it in half for the most part, and I just put it in 2 low ponytails, and then I put them together in like a bun form. I just want to see how this is gonna look and how this is gonna act. There is a lace in the very, very, very front, and it does have some elastic on the back, but let's see how this wig. So, I'll make sure this is nice and on my head fairly well. The elastic is a little bit too tight for my head, but it's probably because of the bun situation that I got popping in the back. Obviously, whenever I want to use this, I do need to braid it down and make my head a little bit more flat. But it's pretty nice. I know, obviously, like where my baby hairs are, I can cut the lace right here. Not moving the elastic around and everything like that. The elastic is really, really tight, but that's also probably due to the fact that I do have 2 buns instead of me having a flat braided hair back whenever I installed this. And then I also kind of feel like I need to pluck this part right here some to make my scalp show some. Let's go ahead and let's do that. Okay, so with the part right there, like I said, I do want to make this a little bit more natural, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pluck this hairline out some. You don't want to do it a whole lot, obviously, because you don't want to make it to where it really doesn't look natural, but I do want to open up this part some. I'm just getting it a little bit more natural, like I said, so that way I can be able to blend it in fairly well. That's a lot bit better. A lot better. So with this lace at the front, we are gonna snip this off to bend it back. And gradually snip it away. Because you don't want to make the mistake of accidentally cutting your hair like I've done a bunch of times. Obviously you need to cut it where your baby hairs are, or where you need some baby hairs to be. But I have so many baby hairs, like I don't need a lace front like this to blend in with my skin. But I did leave a little bit, obviously, because the hair is attached to the lace right there. But we can simply blend that into the skin. I can actually cut that down just a tad bit more. A tad. And this all, again, this is all preference. So, here we go. Situated on my head correctly. These are my baby hairs that needs to be tamed and whipped and dipped, but for the most part, this is the wig. It's so bomb. It's so pretty. Like, I can't even deal. Like, I would have never guessed that this was like a synthetic anything. Like, the way that it feels and the way that it looks, honey boo boo child, like, you would not. So y'all, all in all, this wig is popping. It is kind of, you know, synthetic-y. After you start running your fingers through it, it kind of gets starting to get kind of strainy and things like that, but that's okay. Other than that, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful popping wig, and it fits me, I think, fairly nicely. It doesn't move around. It stays in place. It's easy to blend and to look natural with your lash line, which is like super hard to do with synthetic wigs. Oh my god. But this one, yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. You can call me, what's my name now? I'm fucking Raven. Like, you can call me Red Rave, because this, I'm loving this, y'all. Like, I'm over here running my fingers through my hair, but all in all, good wig for only under $20. It's a definite buy. Like, you cannot go wrong with this type of wig at all. Like, this is like how I feel like a $40, $50 synthetic wig would feel. Like, the quality of it is amazing. It's super thick, it's curly, the curls haven't dropped yet, and I've had this, you know, out for what, like 30 minutes or so doing this tutorial, and usually, like, synthetic curls, they drop really fast. Like, these are actually really staying, and I've ran my fingers through it. Like, I went outside and I had to, you know, get the fucking dogs and shit, and came back, and it still was popping. It still stayed in place. So all in all, this gets a freaking A+ sensational. Like, I'm telling everybody and their mama about this. I kind of want to go back and get like some different colors. Like, this is bomb. Like, this whole ombre effect is beautifully dyed. Like, y'all, this, to me, in my opinion, this looks like a real wig, like a real human hair wig. Like, you can't tell me ish. You can't tell me nothing with this wig. Like, you can't say nothing to me. You can't say not a damn thing to me. Like, oh, y'all, okay, I can't. Thank you guys so much for watching this first impression review on this wig. To have like a couple more wig reviews that I'm going to be posting here in a later date, so just stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and tell everybody, even your unblended weave having neighbors, to come and watch and see y'all. We'll see y'all later.